Earlier this year, Samsung launched its anticipated Galaxy S24 lineup, which includes the Standard, Plus, and Ultra variants. Speculation about the possibility of an Fan Edition model has been circulating, and recent reports seem to lend more credibility to these claims. According to a report from Android Headlines, there's purported evidence of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition being mentioned alongside 4 model numbers, indicating its availability in various regions. Reportedly, these details were spotted in an undisclosed listing. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is specifically named, along with model numbers SMS721B, SMS721U, SMS721W, and SMS721N, indicating versions for global, US, Korean, and Canadian markets, respectively. Given this generation's reintroduction of Samsung's own Exynos chips, the choice of chipset for each market's Galaxy S24 Fan Edition variant is crucial. The US market will probably receive models equipped with Qualcomm chips, while other regions might feature Exynos variants. The exact date of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition's official unveiling remains uncertain. Speculation suggests it could be announced as early as July 10, potentially alongside Samsung's new foldable lineup and the Galaxy Ring. However, this would be notably earlier than the previous Fan Edition model's launch, which occurred in October of the preceding year. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.